A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. A wolf had gotten seriously hurt during a fight with a bear. He wasn't able to move, and so could not satisfy his thirst or hunger. One day, a sheep passed by his hiding place, and so the wolf decided to call out to him. "Please fetch me some water," said the wolf. "That might give me some strength to get some solid food." "Solid food," the sheep said. "I suppose that means me. If I brought you something to drink, it would merely be to wash me down. Don't speak to me about fetching a drink." Moral: a person's ulterior motives are easy to spot if someone is paying attention.